High in the Canadian Rockies, surrounded by towering peaks and ancient glaciers, lies a breathtaking natural wonder, Peyto Lake. Famous for its unique wolf head shape when viewed from above, Peyto Lake captivates travelers not only with its form, but with its striking turquoise color. This vivid hue comes from glacial rock flour, tiny particles carried down from melting ice. When sunlight reflects off these minerals, the lake glows like a precious gem set in the mountains. The lake takes its name from Bill Peyto, a legendary trail guide and trapper whose spirit is still said to wander these wild landscapes. In summer, hikers make their way to scenic viewpoints where the lake stretches out in shimmering blue. In winter, snow blankets the peaks, and Peyto transforms into a quiet, frozen masterpiece. Each season reveals a new side of its beauty. But Peyto Lake is more than just a destination. It is a symbol of Canada's untamed wilderness. Here, the silence of the mountains meets the power of nature, reminding us how small we are before such majesty. In the heart of the Rockies, Peyto Lake stands as a timeless vision, a place once seen, never forgotten.